Here's a little video of the current computer build I'm doing at the moment. I'm still waiting for some parts to arrive, but a majority of it is already here, sort of thing. So, first of all, I went with the MSI Godlike Gaming motherboard with an X99 chipset, 2011 socket set. Got quite a lot of unique features on this motherboard, so I'll be looking forward to that. The H11i GTX cooler, that should keep the CPU nice and cool and everything. The NZXT USB expansion, which should free up a little bit more space inside the computer or allow me to connect more stuff in there. I went with an i7 5960X, which is the 8-core version, which is pretty sweet. Went with a Dominator DDR4 3200 MHz. I was going to go 4000 MHz, but I ain't really into Formula 1 racing, so it ain't worth going that fast, do you know what I mean? Then I went with a big boy. I went with a Corsair AX 1500i. This thing here could power a gypsy campsite, do you know what I mean? Like, that is a beast. I ain't even going to need that much wattage in my computer, but I thought I'd do a bit of overkill with that bad boy. And then we've got the Samsung SSD 850 EVO. It's only a 500 gigabyte, but that should be sufficient for what I need it for anyway. And then we've got the custom Corsair braided cables, which should keep it nice and cooler inside and a little bit more neater. But yeah, there you have it. This is the first video of 3, just showing you me putting my PC together. Alright, sweet.